Friendos, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening up my very last Allure Beauty Box, or at least my very last one for a while. We'll be going over what's inside, we'll see if I regret canceling my subscription, and I'll talk about what I'm going to be doing instead. Okay, you guys, just stay tuned. Alrighty, last one. So first thing, it looks like it's another Ciate palette. This will be the third one that I've gotten from Allure Beauty. It's nice packaging. It says Everyday Vacay. Oh, same thing. Okay. That was a little misleading. I thought we were going to see something a little bit more colorful. This looks like fall to me. What do you guys think? Doesn't this just look like a fall color story with all the mauves and browns? Okay, my sister just informed me this is supposed to be an all-in-one palette. Those are some very small pans though. Okay, I'm a little disappointed by this, but we can still try it out, see how it goes. All right, next up we have Symbiosis London Hyaluronic and Hyaluronic, I hope I pronounced that right, Tightening and Resplendent Eye Mask. Okay, I've gotten so many eye creams from Allure Beauty. I'm kind of over the eye creams now. My sister's off over there. She's reading out all the details to me. Apparently this normally retails, guess, I want you guys just to guess, if you think that this retails for $40, leave A down below. If you think that this retails for $60, leave B down below. If you think that this retails for $93, leave me a C. Yep, it's $93. What the heck? Okay, made in the EU for Symbiosis. So it tells you the continent on which it's made. Nothing else? What the crap? Okay. Then we have from Belief, we have the Aquabomb Hydrating Body Moisturizer with Skin Brightening Niacinamide. Yes, that's what it says on here. Instantly hydrates with a soft, lightweight gel texture. Yes! Leaves skin feeling smooth, not sticky. Yes! $30 for this. I'm pretty sure I've gotten this before, but like in a smaller little component. Okay, you know, whatever. All right, next up we have the Rain Drench Serum. This is a hydrating and soothing serum with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, vitamin B5, and zinc. Okay, all right, this is normally $24. Made in China, of course. Okay, then we have from Sephora, we have the Smooth and Blur Primer. I had been wanting to try this out, so I'm actually glad to have this in my box. It retails for $16, and this palette was $30. I don't think I told you guys. All right, last thing out of the box. Manicadar Beauty Lippy Love 2.0 Whip Scrub. Y'all, this, if you saw this in real life, you'd be laughing too. This looks like something that would come out of Claire's or something worse. It definitely looks like a toy. Apparently they sell this for $19. Where are you made? Designed in USA, made in China. So this box pretty much sums up my experience with Allure Beauty. You can count on getting an expensive eye cream in your box. And a whole bunch of other random lackluster things. I can't even get it open. Off with you. Like, that is not some good looking plastic. It feels very cheap. There's scratches all over it. What on earth? Hello! Yo, I don't feel anything. If this is a scrub, I don't see how. I don't feel any sort of exfoliant in here. I'm gonna stop making such a big deal about it because it's such a forgettable product, but moving on. Some of you told me to try out Boxycharm, and that is precisely what I did. I signed up, I believe it was called the Premium Box. It's $43 a month. Canceled Allure, and already I'm pretty impressed. I was shocked, and I mean shocked, to see some of the deals that they have up on their site where you can get really nice high quality makeup products for really cheap. For example, you could get a set of 4 Luxie brushes for $6, not a piece, for all of them. They have the Huda Easy Bake Powder up on there for $17. I'm trying to remember what else. I don't remember. I'll have to get back to you guys on the rest of the deals, but just having access to so much makeup at such an affordable price really shocked me in a good way. I was also really surprised because I kind of thought of it as the Boxycharm of 2019, where everything I saw people getting was basically Tarte and Too Faced. Those are not my favorite brands. They're actually some of my least favorite brands. I got stuck in this dumb mindset where I thought that that was all there was to it. And then getting to see the different options really surprised me. So in a later video, we will go over more in depth about my Boxycharm experience. I want to wait till I get my first box before I make that video though, so I can really share with you guys my full experience. But yeah, I'm a-okay with letting Allure go. Again, you do get some really high-end skincare products, and if you are into luxury and high-end skincare products, Allure Box may be the box for you, because as you can see, I got a $93 cream. I paid $23 for the box. So if you are all about that, then Allure is the one for you. I do love my luxury skincare, but I'm ready to step away and focus more on the makeup aspect of unboxing videos. And ultimately, that's what you guys come here for. I feel like you guys are more into seeing me talk about makeup than as opposed to high-end skincare, because that's just not as exciting. So I understand. All right, and now I'm gonna end off my video so I can go play with onions. All right, guys, you all go and have an amazing rest of your day. I'm going to go change my hair color. So the next time you see me, I might have one more video that you'll see me in before I've completely changed, both on the inside and no, I will have completely changed my hair. So that's exciting. I have some very big news, a big life update to tell you guys about. So that will be coming up soon. Ask if you enjoyed today's video to please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not done so already, because if not, we'll both have to go on never knowing what could have been. All right, guys, have a fabulous day. Bye.